The range of Weebly design themes can look a little bit daunting, but Weebly do a very good job of dividing these into suggested categories, which are online store, business, portfolio, personal, event and blog. So have a look under the category which is the most relevant to you first of all, but keep in mind that these are only suggestions. If you are looking to create a new website about your business, but you really like one of the personal themes, there is really no reason why you couldn't consider using and adapting that personal theme for your business website. Or you might be thinking about introducing or expanding your business blog, but you don't necessarily need to choose a blogging theme in order to do this, because you can add a blog to any of the other Weebly themes. For example, the Acquire theme is set up for a photography or videography business and is really a combination of information and portfolio pages. But if you have a look at the Pages menu, you will see that you have the option to create blog pages and add a blog to this theme. So really, use Weebly's categories as a starting point, but don't feel that you have to stick to them. Then, when you find a theme that you like, have a good look around the theme before you make up your mind. Click on the Start Editing button and just see what the theme can do. The only time I would suggest that themes are not really that transferable is transferring between online store templates and website templates. If you are going to be selling online, then make sure that you choose an online store theme. And that online store theme will give you all the other options you might need for creating information or blog pages or anything else that you might want to add to your website.